If you've been trying to get free stuff on Temu, but you're not sure if you're doing it the right way or why it's not working, this will make it clear because most people don't fail because it's fake. They fail because they miss one important step. So in this video, I'll explain how to get free stuff on Temu and how the free gift code method actually works. Before we go further, the latest working Temu free gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. What this system really is. Let's keep it simple. Temu Free Gift is not a giveaway. It's a promotion system that means you enter a campaign, you interact with the system, you unlock rewards step by step. So it's not enter code, get item instantly. It actually works like this. Enter, activate, engage, unlock. Why most people don't get results. This is where things go wrong. Two users try the same thing. One sees the free gift system, the other doesn't. That's because Temu doesn't show it the same way to everyone. It depends on how you enter. The common mistake. Most people open Temu normally, start browsing, then try using a code. At that point, they're already outside the system, and nothing changes. Part 2, the correct method. Here's what actually works. Step 1, enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift campaign. Step 2, activate the session. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is linked to the system. Step 3, open Temu. After that, open the app. You should now see free gift section, reward screen, item selection. If not, try once again. Step 4, enter the code. Now enter the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current promotion. Step 5, follow the flow. Now just follow what Temu shows. Offers, tasks, steps. This is how rewards unlock. What to expect. Let's keep it real. The system works. People are getting items. It becomes easy once you understand it. It's not instant. Some steps take time, results can vary. Final takeaway. If you weren't able to get free stuff before, it's not because it doesn't work. It's because the method wasn't followed correctly. Fix the entry, follow the system, and everything starts working the way it should. Try this method and comment what you see. Did the free gift section appear for you?